I love working with such an amazing and diverse set of academic colleagues. There's a real buzz about the place with everyone talking about our new international agenda. Alasala is expanding rapidly with new buildings, new infrastructure and new team members. We are training and empowering all of our faculty to become academic leaders in their subject areas. Our high-quality, innovative academic curricula have been carefully designed to ensure graduates can secure a wide range of professions of strategic importance to the Kingdom. All too often, students make degree choices based on assumptions and perceptions. Make sure you do your research and choose a degree subject that matches your skills and your passions. Make sure you stay in touch with the faculty and make full use of the Alumni Office, the Employment Programme and the Recruitment Connections. Don't forget, you never stop learning. Your degree has given you the skills and the disciplines to learn independently in the future. We empower and encourage our faculty members to contribute towards our practices and policies. Students share their ideas directly with faculty through the student councils. Our departments teach modern and innovative curricula based on global standards and expectations. My primary goal is for Alasala to offer outstanding, innovative and cost-effective education that is culturally and academically equivalent to the top 500 universities in the world. To achieve this, I want to promote Alasala as a thought leader in technology-enhanced learning and formal faculty skills training. I want to promote national and international partnerships and to encourage interdisciplinary scholarly research that is aligned to Vision 2030 and the strengths of practice of the Eastern Province.